Hello friends. So in today's video, I will tell you the simplest solution to have layer option in Kinemaster without rooting your phone or installing any other Kinemaster from link. But before this, I request everyone who have yet not subscribed my channel to please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So first of all, let's check whether I do have layer option in my Kinemaster or not. Click on add button, then empty project. Now let's choose a background. Red. Now just click on layer button. As you can see, I don't have any video option in my KineMaster. So now I will tell you what you need to do. Click on settings and then on device capability information. Now as you can see, my device also does not support video layer. So what I need to do is click on the three dots on the top right hand and then click on run analysis now. It will take about 5 minutes. So you need to wait for 5 minutes. Now as you can see, my phone now supports video layer but its quality has changed now. Now let's check whether it worked or not. Let's choose a background color. Let it be red. Okay. Click on layer. As you can see, there is the option of media. You can choose any video like this. You can adjust the video according to your preference like I am doing. Now click on chroma key, enable it. You can adjust the effects as I am doing here. If you liked the video, then go ahead and press the like button and do share your reviews with us. Thank you.